Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error, server execution failed in Windows subsystem for Linux or WSL, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So here's the thing. First of all, try to re-enable Windows subsystem for Linux. Search for Windows features and click on turn Windows features on or off. Scroll down and then there's an option here for Windows subsystem for Linux. Make sure that it is checked. Click on OK. It will start searching for files and re-enable it in a while. And then you'll have to restart your computer. Now, this should usually help people fix the problem, but if it doesn't, then we don't have much of an option. You can try to restore your system to an earlier date when it was working. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Choose a different restore point. Next. Choose a good restore point. Next. Finish and then click on yes. And lastly, you can perform a cloud reset on your system. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select recovery. Click on reset PC, select remove everything, and then finally click on cloud download. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.